So the main story coming out of the West Indies series win over Bangladesh is off-spinner Rakeem Cornwall silencing his critics, including the Maverick. Yes. All of us who said he was too fat and him cannot feel and him is an ordinary bowler and blah, blah, blah. Well, Jimbo proved us all wrong. With 14 series winning wickets, 9 in the decisive second test, as well as some blistering slip catching, including the stunning match winner of the last ball of the series. Of course, the talk is now that the critics of the team and of Cornwall should be embarrassed and hang our heads in shame. But let me say this, I personally can live with getting embarrassed by Rakeem Cornwall, Nkrumah Bonner, and Kyle Mears and company if it means they perform and win test matches for the West Indies. If that is the case, me always want wrong. Yes. And nobody go like it's me alone. Anybody who claimed they expected the West Indies to win this series is lying through them teeth. I personally would make it a sacrifice for West Indies cricket to predict the West Indies losing every match and every series with the hope that them prove me wrong. Yes. So yes, West Indies cricket, shame me with winnings. Yes. Shame me again with winnings. Yes, winnings. Shame me with winnings.